Recent observations are a great resource for both you, the user, and for avalanche forecasters at your local avalanche center. They provide a glimpse into snow, weather, and avalanche conditions at a particular point in time. This data helps provide more point-specific information to our large-scale avalanche forecast zones. This information is particularly important when it includes clear signs of unstable snow, such as avalanches, cracking, or collapsing. You can view observations from your local forecast center on their website and on the Avi app. Using the top navigation bar, select Observations and Recent Observations. Observations from the past several weeks will automatically be viewable on the screen. You can see them in a list on the left and on the map display to the right. Observations can quickly be queried by date range, avalanche forecasting zone, observation type, or whether they include critical information like avalanches, cracking, or collapsing. Similarly, you can query observations by simply navigating the map on the right to a smaller area. By clicking on any observation, you can see available information and be able to move between the observations in your query by simply using the toggle arrows in the upper left. You can also view avalanche occurrences. In this example, we're looking at avalanches from the Bridger-Teton Avalanche Center through the 22-23 winter. You can similarly query these avalanche observations by using the fields along the top navigation bar, including zone, trigger, elevation, and aspect, or by scrolling in the map. For both observations and avalanche queries, you can bookmark the URL and return to the same query each time. This is particularly useful if you tend to recreate in a particular zone all winter long. Lastly, there are visualization tools that can help highlight patterns in avalanche activity. This includes avalanches by zone, by avalanche size, by trigger, heat map of where avalanches occurred at aspect and elevation, and where avalanches occurred through time. It's important to note that a lack of data doesn't necessarily mean it's safe. In this example, most avalanches are recorded in the Teton Avalanche Forecasting Zone. It is more likely that this is because more people are out in this area and reporting avalanches. Similarly, in the heat map, you may find fewer avalanches reported at upper elevations. This is more likely due to limited access rather than safer conditions. Like the previous two tabs, you can query or navigate on the map to change the information you're seeing in these visualization tools. You can use observations to help shape your view of current conditions and provide additional details to an avalanche forecast. Recent avalanches are particularly critical information to know. Our observation viewer and visualization tools can help you do this effectively and efficiently. Look for other video tutorials to show how you can contribute to this great resource and support your local backcountry community.